Beware when you're hiring people to clean your air conditioners that they know what they're doing. This air conditioner looked relatively clean on the front, but when we were called in, because it still smelt, to have a look inside, this is what we found. It was still full of biotoxic material that had just been pushed from the front of the coil to the back of the coil because they didn't use fit-for-purpose equipment when they were cleaning it. That is disgusting. If you're going to have your air conditioners cleaned, use ACWWA Certified Technicians. All the HydroKleen technicians are ACWWA certified.